Famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our house. So remember that we try and fail, however, we never fail to try. So let's get to today's video. We are going to cook Kgodu. Kgodu in my language. So I'm showcasing my today's thingy. There's Kgodu there. Something, that thing that looks like a butternut, it's your Kgodu. Yes, Gilirot. So unfortunately, because I did not go to a private school, honey, okay, I went to the Bundu education. So I don't know what Kgodu is in English, but then we are going to, it's something that looks like butternut or pumpkin, something like that. We make it in different, like we can turn it into a pap. But then I don't know. Hey, trust the process. Anyway, namashiwe ki busy guy on It's our beef chops. Okay, initially I wanted to make stew beef. I was like, stew beefy. Everyone is doing stew beef. So those are the chops. Then I'm putting in my spices. I hope I know yeah, it's about by now. You already know that I don't like showcasing spices because we don't prefer the same spices. Now there's a little bit of cooking oil, as you can see, and different spices, aromat included now, right? So because we are cooking spinach, Kgodu, and beef, so I'm chopping onion for spinach. I just said it. Spinach. Hey, today I chop yo. Today I chop sham. Anyway, while I'm chopping, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please, guys, you guys are just so quiet. At least if you're quiet, at least do something by just liking or sharing the video. Anyway, I'm like a spinach. I get ngwanyana o se wa robala sa thapa ke kwane le ena le namnene ba mpuditse ba re lena le robala le se le thape. So please tlhatsa spinach ngwanyana ka yo, it turned into black and white. Apologies for that. So we are preparing wa ya Kgodu ya rena ka moakere le lebelleng. Now le lebelleng, especially vendors and ongas and pedis, le lebelleng, because this is your traditional pap. Okay, right? The water is I boiled it aside. Then ke a phumula ke lantse ba gore ke nna ke rata poleke tsa botse ngwanyana tshwantse be skono ke phumula every area mo ke tshwarang fela ke a phumula so lena ba mpoditse ba re dipoto tsa lena o ka re ke di tsa boshiu. So a kenya go e bolela ba re dipoto ba re kata ka mo a bolena rata ra lebella dipoto ba re yo re ka ba rapalla go differentiate. So make sure that your place or your stove is always neat. Hey, please cook neatly in a neat space. So ke nabela ke tshetse butter and sugar, right? I have to explain because it's in black and white. Then ka make sure ke a mix oh wa e wile ke a ke a mix technology ngwana ka e tla ba tjala ka o shapa ke bojolo ngwana ka. So ke tshela le rotselela. Again, I'm putting Kgodu whatsoever le rotselela ke a lokela. Okay, disclaimer, it is for the first time. It's my first time cooking Kgodu, so I don't know what I'm doing. And I also don't know how to cook it, but I know that at the end it must be a pap that have a little bit of something that tastes like pumpkin or yong butšha bo kwa lena le bo malena rena Kgodu keng a ke tota ke itro mangoki lena magweng wa le senya lena ba mpotsa tsa ba lena o nna magweng ke yona o di are le skalatse ba dilo awa ke nna mona chopping tomato ke choppa tomato a tsare keng ka mogope ke lapile ka gona ke le ipotsa taba tsa go ke grater tomato ka motshantse ke thoke nyakana le grater ra kwa di maraka kwa go golegolo go nna ke sa fitheleng ka ra tsare keng ke tlono e betha ka thipa and hey lo reng ya dia a inya go chophe nna ke sa ditsena batho ba modimo re berekela mona go wa ke la tsare ke phela ke jaile ke phela ke tsamaile gape dilo ka monta o busy ka monta ka mo la ke chopper tomato chopping ya tomato go busy ka montle go busy ba re bona wa so ba wa isubela batho ba busy ba ya maemo o no tso to dutse ka moya ka monne di grater mona ke chopper tomato ya ka chopper yo spinach sela yo batho ba ka ke tshetse after ke tshela ka tshela the cubes, right? A ke la tsareng a ke apeka letswai. And if you are a family in this house and you are still cooking ka letswai, wena ke tlo ramo mo o ya ka o raiwa mo a ke lebisa ka re le shumisha romato ba di-cubes ka re cube e tee ya 24 ke 12 rand nna le ke tlo le ramo so ke nna mola ke a tlhakantšha mola mixing everything mola jwale let me tell you my tomato was more than the spinach. Hey, now my sister, my brother, I'll come back to it. Let's go back to Kgodu now. Kilo fetlela lerotse le lalaka. Kilo fetlela. I told you this process, I don't know it in English. Oh, you're not going to judge me. So after everything, you need to fetlela. Make sure that you break those lerotse. Oh, modimo wa ka content mama theta mpola. What's are king? Sheila dilo je wo fitela dingathe. And if you don't understand, I'm sorry, my brother, my sister. Next time when I cook these things, English breakfast, I will explain in English because we all know bacon is bacon. So Kgodu tarking. So skabala. So you put your maize meal, like it. Put your maize meal with the very same Kgodu, the same lerot, the same. Let me just say butternut for your sake. Okay, so ke a fetlela yo wa tsa ke mbogobola bo kwatile bo athunya ke re o thiba ka re side chicky she sa tsebe madulo a yona. Anyway, I'm just saying ke amola ke malawa bogobe ba ka bo adia. So tabeng ya spinach re boela back to taba spinach. There's more tomato more than spinach and I had to make a plan. Okay, good. Cooking content is something else because you don't prepare that things will go left. This time around things went left. Now I had these things. Hey, I forgot their names. I had this. I was like, hey, come here. There's a problem there in the pot. Tomato is more than spinach. So I had to make a plan. Content. So we'll trust the process. We trust the process. We shall eat nice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. So we are going to eat nice. Oh, remember the meat, okay? It's in the oven because time. There's no time. Time is bad. So mutu feta 10 years ka kitchen. Not in 2024. Not when you have delicious cake content. So ke ka ora maraking jona jemara maraking all right ke mola na mile re a loisha. I hope by this time around you bona bo bola bona le bona bona me go by this time you know this process. I told you this process I think 10 times already. I think we have videos of this process. Remember, we cook what we have in our homes. So I'm not gonna go into Woolworths, to ShopRite, to Spar, go and buy food for content. I saw them now. And easy. So ke mala ke feditse papa yaka, feditse Kgodu yaka, vele ke Kgodu. Akere ke Kgodu ya mannete. Kgodu. Yeah, we won. Ina le sukiri na le majarini ko re wa tsare keng nice le little bit of vinegar. Ke le bitse banyana ba ka gore vinegar re tshela goreng go bo ska senya ka pela. Na ba na bo feta one day. Mara ke le buditse gore tshela bo vinegar nyana. And o tshela vinegar ska re bola wa tadi ya bo ba poison. Akere la tsara I hate food that tastes like poisons. So a little bit so that bogoba will last, especially because it's hot. Again, give it a touch. Not everyone can do this. So if she can do this, marry her. This is another process that only few can make it. My sister, my brother, don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. And tell me what else should I cook because okay, let's go back to our crisis spinach. Crisis spinach, things are not adding up. It's like, modim, oga relationship ela bona ramona etso e shetse ka harani. Kuru motho la sa o nyaka ape. Even though it looks like a poison, spinach samudimo, at least I managed to give it volume. Angere? Trust the process. At least I managed to give volume. One thing I like about cooking is it takes you out of your comfort zone, because sometimes you'll cook something and it doesn't come out right. It means now you have to come up with a very fast plan. At the end of the people must eat food that have a meaning inside. So come like if spinach and today I didn't want your creamy spinach. I wanted my food to sound like more like traditional food, traditional a dish kind of. Hence my spinach is like this. Like, you know, sometimes I cook it with in English format. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I pray that God protect you, protect your children, your business, your work. Until we meet again, families, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Bye.